So hi guys, welcome back to another amazing video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make professional thumbnail without doing a videographer and without hiring a graphic designer for your YouTube channel. So if you own a YouTube channel, you can make your own graphic and for your channel. So let's get started and let's get jump into it. So here I have the Canva Pro, and you can purchase it too from anywhere else. You can purchase it from Amazon, and I have to just recreate this template, and I will write here how to create Google account. So I'm gonna drag and drop it, and I will do some changes. Okay, it's looking nice over here. So remove it, and here I will put Google account, and all is done, and I will remove over here. Okay, so all set. Here we go.